Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation to create a drop-down list for multiple columns in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, employees name, list and department column and sub-department column. And here you can see the right hand side I have a department list. Okay. So now I want to apply this list as a drop down in a multiple column, for example, B and C column. So select the cells where you want to drop down list. Then select the both column B and C. So I select the for department column and C column also, sub department column. So you can see the multiple column is selected. After that, go to the data tab. In data tools, have a data validation option. Click on this drop down arrow and click on the data validation. And you can see the data validation dialog box is open. In settings tabs, in validation criteria in allow, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the list. Okay, in source, just click on this arrow and select the list of department. Okay, then click on again arrow and you can see the range of department list is selected. Then click on OK and that's it. Now you can see when I click on the department column and click on the drop down arrow, see the list of department. Okay. Now I just click on the sub department and see the list of drop down list here showing. So this is a way you can create a drop down list for multiple columns by using the data validation in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.